Uh, Hello everyone, myself Adarsh Agrawal. This video is for explaining my project of web engineering called Your Placement Buddy or Placement Roadmap. This project is aimed toward those students who just entered first year of their college and needs a resource guide, a single point to navigate through all the resources they need to grab their placement. Okay, like sometimes students are too much, there's too much web content nowadays, like they are confused where to find, what to find. Some guys can't even locate the resources they need. So this is a project in its development phase, which shows where they need, what they need, a proper guide they can make for themselves. Okay, the project is done using the following tech stack. Front end is done using HTML, CSS, JS. It is a web application, a web project. Backend is done using Django framework. I have used Ajax technology for communication, and uh, three API external APIs are used, like DevPost API for fetching live hackathons, or Google Gemini API, or Google Custom Search API for generating the roadmap. Okay, and database used is MySQL database. The project is currently configured for local setup. Later, we will make it deployable in the future versions. So let's start with the project. As you can see currently, this is the home page of the project. Here a little bit transition is added. You can see, first of all, homepage hackathons and competitions. It lists the currently ongoing hackathons fetched directly from DevPost API. This page is the resource page. It lists the internship resources, some already made roadmaps, and some videos and to prepare for the placement. These are the roadmap. This is a roadmap editor used to create a graphical roadmap. This is community section used to chat with each other. Inside others, you can see the common FAQs, about us page, and contact us page. This is a logout button. This is the login section. Okay. Now, as for the key features, it has some already built-in roadmaps, popular roadmaps listed on in the resource section. A roadmap generator. You can track your performance using the roadmap editor, creating a roadmap custom to your needs. Hackathons and competitions are listed real time with the help of Daypost API. We have internship preparation resources, interview preparation resources on the resource section. Community networking is done using where people can chat with each other after logging in this site. How it works: choose your path, generate your roadmap, track your progress according to your needs, look for opportunities and hackathons and section. Here are some of the famous reviews of other people. If you want to get in touch, you can touch the contact us section. This is the contact us page. Welcome to your placement buddy. We have our mail here. You can click on the mail to mail with mail to us. Okay. Uh, s- Sorry, I would cut this section later on. But, this is a phone number and our address. You can contact us here. Okay. Back to homepage. We have used Gemini 1.5 Flash to for the roadmap generation model, as it was free to use and can be generate up to 100 responses per day. All the roadmaps can be downloaded locally in the PDF form. For now, let us move on to the main part of the project. For hackathons and competitions, as you can see, next Gen AI hackathon open-ended, their location, start date, end date, eligibility open to all, benefits. All of this is stored in the MySQL database, and database can be managed by the super user at Django admin. Okay, you can click on more details to go to the link of the page for hackathon. Okay, if you want to see the code, Here I will run the fetch program. uh, as you can see, no new hackathon was currently found on the Dayforce API, so database remains unchanged. Okay, you can later exit the interactive console, else a new entry would be added. These are the currently ongoing hackathons. Okay, now to the resources page. This is the resource section. There you can see a sidewise navigation menu to connect with each other. Okay, this is the internship resources, a scrollable menu where each resource is uploaded. You can go for LinkedIn jobs. Here you can find resource links of the currently ongoing internships, preparation, mock interview preparations. All these links are here. Okay. This is the SD sheet. Here you can see a little bit CSS for random color design. Okay, like Striver SD sheet, take you forward, could be found here. Okay, this is a video lectures table. You can see the video lectures here. Okay, we have found 4 yearly placement guides for a college placement for first to fourth year. You can find it here in the section. The same slider option is added. This is third year student. We use GFG as a source. We have also mentioned in the site, right, that it's it's sending you to GFG. Okay. Now this is a custom roadmap editor. It's you can select a node and create a roadmap. It is more of a flow graph to create your planning. Here you can add nodes, rename the node like web engineering. Okay, or like that. If you want to create a node and you want to delete this node, you can also delete a node. If you want to connect this node, first select the node. Now select another node. After selecting connect, here you can see the nodes are connected. It follows a tree root structure. So the web engineering main file is this main is the parent. Okay, and after this main topic, the rest are child. Okay, sorry, by mistake press the delete button. If I want to connect it with this one, you can connect it, you can delete the nodes, you can arrange them, you can also download it as a PNG. Okay, you can see here the downloaded PNG image. This is the roadmap downloaded version. If you want to download it and import it later, you and to edit it later, you can download it in JSON format file. Here the structured file is here. You can edit it later onward. Okay, here the reset button. Also you can't delete the main roadmap. Okay, but on resetting it will be like good as new. GoJS external GoJS script is used for it. You can see the code on the backend. I will cover the backend later. Now to the community section. You remember, you can only access community when you are user is logged in. Okay, here you can create new rooms, like a test room is done here. Your current username will be user Gmail will be shown here as a username. Hi, like alex@gmail.com is currently my Gmail. If I want to create uh, web engineering room. Okay, room web engineering created successfully. Here I have created room engineering. uh, Hello guys, this is a room to communicate with others about web technology. Let me show you a demonstration. I will run on Chrome as well, uh, so that you can identify like, okay. Uh, Let me log in first. Oh, let me show you. I am current here. You can see when I am clicking on the profile section, it's showing please log in first. And if I am currently logged in, it will show my user info of current user, like first name, last name, and email, directly fetching from the database. Okay. So if I log in, right? Okay, I have already created. Uh, Login successful. Redirecting. Okay. Now I will visit the community page. Here is a new room created. Hello. This is new user here. Okay. Now you can see the message every day. There is a little bit 3 millisecond or something different because we have used Ajax method rather than WebSockets. Uh, because of some configuration issues. I am sorry about that. Now to the FAQ section, you can see what is this platform, or is the platform free? How can I contribute? Do I need to access or sign up? These are the basic questions you can find here. You can read about us in the about us section, like you, what is your placement buddy for? What are our mission, our vision? What are the needs for you placement buddy? Okay, you can contact us on this contact us page, as I said earlier. Now let us move on to the new main feature of this site, the placement roadmap, like generate your roadmap with the help of AI. We have used Gemini 1.5 Flash and Google Custom Search API. From fetch We fetch API using Google generated API key using Google Cloud Console. Thank you Google for that. Now to generate a roadmap. Okay, here you can only access this section if you are logged in. I will later show you, like, you can't access this section and if you are not logged in. Now write any field you want or anything you want, like I want a roadmap for DBMS. Okay, database management system. Generate your roadmap. Okay, sorry, it will take a little bit time because we are using a free version right now, as the project is still in development phase. uh, you can generate the roadmap, and is that it will show here DBMS learning roadmap. This roadmap outlines a structured learning of DBMS, estimated completion time, phase 1, essential topics, recommended learning paths, paid and free resources are listed here. Then phase 2, essential topics, resources, phase 3, essential topic and resources, phase 4, and tips for success. All the details are here. Okay, here are the 3 resources fetched from Google Custom Search API. You can see where can I start learning database DBMS. Google Custom Search API will search the entire web for the best 3 resources it could find. Uh, okay. Sorry. My PC is lagging a little bit because of high load. You can also download it in PDF, like DBMS PDF. Okay. Here. Here's the generated roadmap. Your generated roadmap CDF. Okay. Uh, that's all for the site. Now let me show you this is login page. This is sign in page. We have added validations and tooltips using the sign up page. Like let me write AD get it. Uh, AD enter a sorry AD underscore 123 enter a gmail.com. Okay. Like if I left this field empty, okay, there, this field can't be left empty, okay. These if the passwords do not match, right, these are the formats you need to follow. Here below are the below is the listed password for syntax, okay. If password do not match error, okay, it won't let you sign in until you do the correct syntax. Same is for similar is for Gmail and for LinkedIn and GitHub profiles, okay. So here I will add in my LinkedIn and GitHub profile. Let me change the LinkedIn profile a little bit, okay. Invalid LinkedIn profile must be a valid profile name. You see, now register. Registration successful. Redirecting to login page. Account created successfully. Okay. Uh, I didn't want to fill the details again, so I will log in. It will redirect to you to index page. Okay. Here's your index page. You can see the current user login info AD Gellert. Okay. Now, if I want to log out, I will log out. Are you sure you want to log out? Yes, you have been logged out successfully. It will redirect to your index page. Now, if I access generator.org, see the page can't be accessed unless you sign in. Similarly for community section, okay, but you can still access other resources. They are made free so that some if someone is like they don't want to sign in or something, okay, so they can. Now let me show you the database. All the database is managed on the admin side. You can see Django admin. Okay. As you can see, I was currently with another user ID. I can't access it unless I use user. I mean, you super user account. Okay. Here, all the chat messages are stored on database. Okay. This is the list of all the chat rooms which we have just created. Okay, this is the list of all the hackathon. The database is automatically updated as soon as it is fetched from API. Super user can add more internship resources, or this is some of the sample load maps I tried to store earlier. This is the SD sheet table. This are the video lecture table. Okay. You can see the users info, all the username info, and their email address, first name, last name, star status. Okay. Currently, it is configured for local server. If we need to add, we can add later. I will add the site GitHub link in the description. Okay, so you can download it from here. Now let us move on to the code part. As you can see, I have used Django backend. Okay, JavaScript is used for client-side configuration. In the views.py, you can see the server-side configuration and the source code. I will add these features to later onward. Okay, so all the code will be provided in the backend phase of the backend to the GitHub link. Don't worry about it. That's all for today. Thank you. Please provide your feedback in the video.